Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to perform a double space in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just highlight over whatever text you want to make double space, and then select the Format tab. Select where it says line and paragraph spacing, and then select a double. And that's what you have to do. And if you want to go back to what it was before, just highlight over whatever you want to change back. You can tap Control A on your keyboard as well to just highlight all the text. And then go back to the Format tab. Select line and paragraph spacing once more. You can select single. However, I believe most spacing is 1.5 by default. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.